The information in this presentation is provided for educational purposes only and should not be misconstrued as medical advice. At the beginning of our class, I chose as my personal health concern a healthy diet. The reason I selected a healthy diet is because, from what I learned, if you eat a more natural diet, you'll feel better about yourself. I also wanted to lose some weight, and I knew that would help me accomplish that goal. I do have to agree with the holistic health information I have studied. I feel like I have a lot more energy than I had before. I shop with a more health conscious mind, reading ingredients of products before purchasing them. There are many changes I have made for myself, such as adding exercise and drinking more water. After I exercise, I feel like I have more energy now than before. Another holistic routine that I added to my lifestyle is meditation, and what a difference it makes me feel more relaxed and carefree. The reason water is just as important to help our bodies function properly. It acts as a lubricant for our joints and eyes, for swallowing, the nervous system, gets rid of waste, and regulates body temperature. And that's by Lund and Foxen in 2008. Holism is being complete of your whole self for your body, mind, and spirit. The word holism originates from the Greek word holos, which means all. The philosophy of holism is that we are all connected with our environment and our spirits, and that's what helps keep us whole. And that is why it's important we connect with our mind, body, and spirits. A description of vitalism is the bringing of life to an organism, in other words, being alive or a life force. Modern science has soundly rejected vitalism, and the worldwide scientific enterprise continues ever onward on a securely materialist basis. Biology, biochemistry, genetics, and biophysics have established that life processes are unexplainable without resource to any invisible life energy. For this reason, traditional Chinese medicine, with its adherence to the concept of qi, continues to be the odd stepchild of modern medicine and cannot be taken seriously because of its archaic vitalist worldview. By Wegman Liller, 2015. Holism does compare to traditional medicine. They both consist of healing in a natural way, for example, like certain herbs or plants. Traditional medicine helps you heal naturally to help your body feel whole again. In holism, healing is consisted of figuring out what is causing the body to be out of balance and to find a permanent solution for a complete healing. That's how traditional medicine compares to holism. Reductionism, in comparison to conventional medicine, is just like finding a temporary solution to the sickness instead of trying to figure out what is causing the illness. It doesn't continue to occur. According as stated by George P. Mallison, reductionism seeks explanation through isolation of parts of a phenomenon into the smallest units and the examination of interactions between pairs of these parts. I did state in my introduction that I chose a healthy diet as my personal health concern because my body will be more functional and complete if I follow a more natural regimen. Some determinants of holistic health would be where you live, your relationships, nutrition, and social status. Reductionism of risk factors for ill health can be assumed to have much in common with factors related to good health, but these relations need further elaboration. By Renholm, Gustafson, and Eckberg in 2011. The main reason I believe that determined I didn't follow a holistic lifestyle was because I grew up poor. In my neighborhood where I grew up, there were no such thing as health food store like there is now. Buying organic as was a privilege for those individuals that had a more financial sound. That is why now I feel I can apply my holistic knowledge to live a healthier lifestyle than how I grew up. I have stopped recently, shopped for natural and organic products, and noticed that the difference right away in the flavor of the foods. I also noticed by following a more healthy diet, I sleep better at night, which makes a difference in the morning. I don't wake up sluggish. There are so many changes that have occurred within my body internally, externally. Now that I'm aware of the holistic benefits, I plan to continue to live the way and read more information about it. I want to live a long, healthy lifestyle where I feel complete for my mind, body, and spirit.